If you guys have a 6G 4Runner or a 4G Tacoma and you're looking for a solution to mount a switch panel, we have the perfect one here from Yota Xpedition. Let's show you how to get it installed. All right guys, we have our Tacoma pulled into the shop and we have our power kit bracket right here on the table. This is going to be for your non-hybrid Tacoma and 4Runners. If you guys have a hybrid, we have a separate install video, so make sure to check that out. Right here we have our bracket, which is a 2-piece configuration made from aluminum, powder coated in a nice black. Also comes with some hardware and some zip ties for wire management. And then for tools, we have a ratchet, an extension, 12mm socket, and we have a 3mm Allen wrench. A couple things to note, this bracket in particular is the universal model. So universal meaning there is no drilled holes or slots or anything on this. This is going to be a blank slate, so whether you have one of our power kits, an aux beam, diode, whatever, you can lay it out on here how you want, drill your holes and get it all mounted. You can also see there is a couple of slots right here, and that is for wire management. You can have wires running up this side and on this side, and you can zip tie those down so it's nice and clean. But we can go ahead and get this put together like that. There's 2 screws included. We'll get those put together with the 3mm Allen wrench. So we're going to take both pieces, put them together like so. We'll get one of these screws started. There we go. Get the second screw in here. So we got the bracket put together. Now what I would do before you mount this into the vehicle is lay this out and drill your holes with it out of the vehicle. Might be a little bit easier. But now we need to head over to the Tacoma. There's a bracket that goes on top of the battery. We're going to be popping that off, and this is going to go in place of that. So we got the ratchet, extension, and 12mm socket, and we're going to remove that. Right here is the bracket. It's going to be the same on the 4Runner as it is on the Tacoma here. You got a 12mm bolt right here, and then you have one or a nut right down on this side. So let's go ahead and remove this. And just to clarify, this bracket isn't necessarily holding the battery in because it's not even touching the battery. There is other clamps that hold the battery in. This is more or less just a safety. So your new power bracket that's going to be taking place of this is going to be doing the same job that this is doing. So with the bolt and nut removed, we can just pull this bracket up. We'll grab the new bracket, get that in place, and then we'll reinstall the factory hardware. So pretty simple. Drop that in place. As you can see on the top of the power bracket, there is a window here. So that is where you can put your socket through to tighten down this bolt. So we'll just get that in place and get it started by hand. Now we can take the ratchet, tighten that down, put the nut on there and get that tightened down. All right, that's it. Bracket is installed. Now you can install your switch panel on here, do all your wire management, and you have a nice solid spot that is super clean to mount your switch panel. So that is going to be a wrap on the installation for our non-hybrid power bracket for the 4Runner and Tacoma. If you guys have any questions, make sure to drop a comment down below. If you want to grab one of these brackets for your 4Runner or Tacoma, make sure to head over to yotaxpedition.com. Our link is down in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.